Everybody stand up, please. Good morning, class. Please sit down. You're welcome. Return this to the owner. Give this to your classmates. Please pass all your assignments. Give me your assignments. Sungan. It's okay. Mami lang. Is this all? Is this all? Mami nga now. Number 1, all together read. Who do you live with? Okay, very good. Sit down. How many siblings do you have?
3.
You have 3 siblings. Name your siblings. Pudangdang daymay ka. How to read this one? E.g. E.g. means for example. ATC means etc. Why do you like to play football? It's fun. Okay, sit down. How about you? What are your favorite hobbies or activities? And why do you like badminton? Okay, very good. Sit down. You like swimming and running. Why do you like swimming? Again, okay, it's fun. You can play drumstick. What? You can make a movie. Okay, very good. Sit down. Why do you like swimming? Why science? It's exciting. What else? Ay, funny? What? Why do you like math? Why science? It's exciting. Very good. Sit down. Okay, what do you want to learn more about this year? Pudangdang daymay ka. Want to be better in math. Focus. Do homework. Very good. Sit down. What are your goals for this school year?
My goal is to get high grade in a subject to make my family proud.
Okay, very good. How? Good score in math. Read a book. What is something you want to achieve in the future? Go Japan. Why do you want to go to Japan? Okay, very good. Okay, everybody stand up, please. Goodbye and thank you, class.